What's up, my beautiful people? So today I'm sharing with you guys my personal nail kit video. Let's get into it. So the first thing is this cute, super convenient nail storage case, nail polish storage case. And if it's up to 48 bottles, as you see in this case, I did fit more than 48 bottles because I like to make things work. But it's definitely super convenient. I purchased it from Amazon. And I also have to say that all these things in this video are purchased with my own money. This is not a sponsored video whatsoever, but I will definitely hook y'all up and leave the link down below of where to get these items. So definitely check out that. Now let's go ahead and get into the nail kit. So this is my personal nail kit for my use only. At the top here, as you see, I have some sponge applicators. I like to use those for like glitter polishes so they can stick onto the fingernail. I have some alcohol swab wipes, a mask, some napkins, some baggies to store acetone and stuff like that. And are y'all ready for what I keep in my nail kit? So this is a case I purchased from Walmart. Thought it would be perfect because I like to store the boxes that certain things came with. And I keep cotton rounds, cotton balls, Q-tips in that little pouch. And this little thing here, I keep my nail files, nail cutters, cuticle trimmers, nail brush, pedicure toe separators, as well as this little gadget here I like to use for filing down nails, and it's an electronic nail system by Amopay, and it's super easy to use. It almost acts as a nail drill, except it doesn't take off acrylic or gel easy like a nail drill would, but it definitely does a good job with a nice manicure or to use as a pedicure. So I keep all my little trinkets in here because I just like to be organized and know that everything is in one place. So for the next item I keep in here is this large size crown box case that I purchased from Target. And as you see in this case, you're going to notice that everything is cutesy pink, and so me. I have some gloves in here, a towel for any mess. I also keep some alcohol in here and some cuticle oil as well. And I also keep some nail art brushes. Hold on, let me get it together. Some nail art brushes that I purchased from Amazon. Like I said, everything will be in the description so you can check these out as well. And I like to keep these nail dotting tools and these fun, cute little, glitter bedazzle type of things. And I keep some polygel nail guides as well that I purchased from Amazon. And as you see, I have some cute, fun glitters that I can use in combination with the nail polish, gel polish, or the polygel. I also like to keep a nail cutter in here, some scissors you see there in the back. And I have some fun glitters that I just recently got. This is like my favorite case in this box, my favorite one, because I love to get super creative when doing my nails. So this box right here has everything I need. So moving on to the bottom of this bin, I'd like to keep some hand lotion in here because we don't need no ashy knuckles, okay? I keep some acetone. This is pure acetone. I purchased this from Walmart. And this is some regular cheap old Dollar Tree acetone, but it definitely works just as good. And then I like to keep some thumb covers when I do use the nail trail, which you will see in just a bit. And in these little fun cases, I keep some more like little standalone glitters and things like that, nail decals. I like to keep it in that because I didn't want to put it in that large crown box that you saw because I didn't want them to get lost in there. So it's a good way to just keep it in one little container. And then I have some more of the same containers, and I like to keep my nail drill bits and the nail refill files in these containers because I like everything to have its own little home. And then I have that glass jar you saw that I use for the acetone. I also have those soak-off clips that I like to use for gel polish. Come in handy. You hear me? I purchased those at Walmart. And in this little cute little velvet pouch, I just keep some more nail art decal type of things. These are those flowers and leaves and cute stuff that you see on nails. And I love them. I like to stick these on poly gel or gel polish. They look so beautiful. These are the poly gel clips that I use for the nail that they give you, the nail guide, and the poly gel don't stick to the nail. Those come in handy when you need to put them in the UV light. Then here is my nail drill. Very affordable, very inexpensive. It came with the charger that you just plug in. Simple and easy to use. And there's that Beetles kit. I'll definitely leave that above so y'all can check that video out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.